Dogs. They've been the stars of YouTube, TikTok, and of our lives. But have you ever noticed how many dogs look like loaves of bread? As you know, computers are good at many things, but as far as identifying speech and images go, there remains a lot of room for improvement.
Is that a dog or dog, pig, dog, pig, dog, pig, pig, loaf of bread, system error?
The repercussions for our furry friends could be disastrous. Enter dog or loaf of bread, the first application that uses machine learning to tell you only whether an image contains a dog or a loaf of bread. If you're curious about how machine learning works, here's a rough overview. Machine learning uses a neural network. Each neuron corresponds to a pixel in an image. The neuron has a numerical value that shows how activated it is. All these neurons make up the first layer of the neural network. The first layer's activations cause activations in the middle hidden layers, and the last layer is the output, which is the computer's assessment of how much an image corresponds to a particular model. On to creating the model. After doing literal minutes worth of research, I discovered that large data sets of bread images were basically non-existent, and I would need to amass my own. I collected an astonishing 100 images in each category to train my model. To create the model, I used Teachable Machine, which makes it simple to upload your data, train the model, and export the model for use in your application. Using TensorFlow's JavaScript library, I was able to design my application to take an inputted image, run it through my model, and get the analysis. Now let's take a look at the application in action. Using the application is simple. Just go to doggorbread.glitch.me, upload an image, and click Try It Out. The answer will load shortly. The most challenging part of this project was actually capturing the image data in the form that I needed to use it with TensorFlow. The example code that I followed to upload and display an image had me set the image as a background image, and so every time I tried to capture that data, it was either a base64 string or an object or just something else that I couldn't use. In the future, I'd like to rewrite the way the input is currently being sent to my TensorFlow script to allow a default image to go on screen when the page starts. Also, since it takes a while for the results to show up, some sort of animation while you're waiting would be nice. Also, for mobile, a camera app would be great. And there you have it. Bada bing, bada boom. You got yourself some machine learning.